theorem number 8. So let AB and DE be two chords of the circle with center C. Okay, here AB is one chord and CD is another chord, but they are not in equal length. Okay, so AB is one chord and CD is another chord. By seeing this, also you can understand AB is larger than CD. Suppose AB is greater than DE, then the distance from C to AB is less. Okay, if AB is larger, the distance from the center it will be less. ED is smaller, this distance is more. That is a concept. So now exercise set 5.5, question number 1. Find the length of the chord of the circle where the radius is 7 centimeter and perpendicular distance is 6 centimeter. Okay, radius is given as 7 centimeter, then the perpendicular distance is given as 6 centimeter. Okay, first of all, you have to draw the diagram. So this is a circle. In the circle, we are just taking, okay, radius is 7. Okay, 7 centimeter radius. Okay, and the perpendicular distance to the chord is given as 6 centimeter. We have to find out the length of the chord. Okay, we have to find out the length of the chord. So this length I have to find out. So according to the theorem, okay, the perpendicular is drawn from the center to the chord is bisect the chord. Okay, bisect the chord means we can say AD is equal to DB. For finding AB distance, if you're finding AD into 2, you will be getting AB. Right? So I have to find out AD distance first. So as this is a right angle triangle, I can use Pythagoras theorem. This is 7, this is 6. I can just easily find out AD. Okay. So in triangle ACD. Okay. So in triangle ACD, in right triangle or right angle triangle. Okay. Right triangle ACD. I'm just applying the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to, that is 7 square is equal to AD square plus 6 square. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the other two side square. Okay, 7 square is 49 is equal to AD square plus 6 square is 36. Take this 36 to this side. So 49 minus 36 is equal to AD square. 49 minus 36 is, we are getting as 13. Okay. Now AD square is equal to 13. So you can just interchange and write, that is AD square is equal to 13. We have to find out only AD value. So AD is equal to square root of 13. That means from here to here is root 13. Okay, so we have to find out the distance of AB. Okay, the length of the chord. Okay, therefore AB can be written as, AB is nothing but, actually AB is equal to AD plus, okay, AB can write it as 2 times AD. Okay, AD plus DB. Okay, as they are having equal length. Okay, AB can be written as, so 2 times AD. Correct? So AB is equal to 2 times AD. So AB is equal to 2 into root 13. Okay. So AB length, the length of the chord, AB is equal to 2 root 13. Okay. More than this, we cannot simplify. Now this is the answer. Okay. 2 root 13 is the answer. Question number 2. Explain why the following statement is true. If the perpendicular distance of the chord from the center is D and the radius is R. Okay. Now the distance from the chord is given as D and the radius is R. Then the chord length is 2 square root of R square minus D square. Okay. So why this following is true, they are asking. Okay, we have to check it out with the same diagram, but here we are just taking as, instead of numbers, they have given us variable. Okay, same diagram. Okay, from the perpendicular distance is given as D. Okay, this distance is D. And the radius we are just taking as R. Okay, now we have to find out the chord length. Okay, AB we have to find out. While finding AB length, we should get this one. Okay, 2 into root r square minus d square. Then this will become true. The perpendicular is drawn from the center of the circle to the chord is bisect the chord. Bisect the chord means we know that this is equal to this. For finding AB, first you have to find out AD. So AD into 2 times. So you'll be getting AB. As it's a right angle triangle, I can just choose. Okay, in right triangle. Okay, in right triangle ACD. Here R square, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the other two sides square. Okay, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the other two sides square. AD square plus D square. Now take this D square to this side. R square minus D square is equal to AD square. Okay, so we can just interchange and write. So AD square is equal to R square minus D square. So therefore AD is equal to, take the square root on both the sides, it will become square root of R square minus D square. Okay, AD length we are getting as R square minus D square. So the chord length means AB. Okay, so AB it will be equal to, AB is equal to 2 times AD, correct? AB is equal to AD plus AD, that is 2 times AD. Okay, so therefore 2 into, so AD value we got it, that is R square minus D square. So therefore we can just say AB is equal to 2 root R square minus D square, R square minus D square. Okay, therefore the chord length is 2 into root R square minus D square. That is true. Okay, this is true. Here, question number 3. In a circle, if the distance of the chord AB from the center is twice the distance of the another chord CD from the center, then can we conclude that CD is equal to 2 times AB? So give reason for your answer. Okay, first of all, you have to construct, okay, diagram first. So we'll just take, I'm just taking a circle. Okay, this is a circle. So we have to take two chords. In a circle, if the distance of the chord AB, one is one chord. If I just take, this is one chord. Okay, this is one chord AB. So another chord I'm just taking, this is another chord. Okay, both are in different length. Okay, this is, I'm just taking as AB and this is CD chord. Okay, AB and CD. Okay, now the distance of the chord AB from the center. Okay, now this will be the center. Okay, now this is the center. Now distance of the AB from the center. Now from this center. Okay, this center is twice the distance of the another chord CD. Now this is another chord CD. If I take this distance as x, okay, now this will be 2x, correct? Distance from the center of AB is twice than this. So this is x means this is 2x. So now we have to, can we conclude CD is twice AB, we have to conclude. Okay, how we can conclude? I'm just going to join. Okay, just let us join. Okay, this length. We join this. Okay, and join this. We can just take it as the center as O. I'm just taking the center as O. Okay, let me join this also. Okay, join this. So for this, we are going to apply, right? Now this distance is x. So this we can derive as radius. This is radius and this also radius. So this distance is 2x and this will be radius and this will be radius. Now we are going to find out, okay, CD. CD is nothing but the length of the chord. Now we just compare this one. So length of the chord, how do you find out length of the chord? AB is equal to 2 times R square minus D square. Okay, hypotenuse square minus D square is coming. The same way, just apply the rule here. For this, here we have two triangle. One is COD triangle and AOB triangle. So first I'm just taking COD triangle. In triangle, okay, in triangle COD triangle. So the chord length, okay, chord length we have learned in the previous question. Chord length CD, okay, CD is equal to 2 times the square root of here R square, radius square, R square minus there it was D square. So in the place of D here we have X, okay, X square. We can take this is equation number 1. Now in triangle AOB, okay, in triangle AOB, now the chord length AB, chord length AB is equal to 2 times the square root of, here also this is the radius, R square minus, in the place of D we have 2x. So 2x distance. So 2x the whole square. Now we can just simplify this. So here what will be getting, AB is equal to 2 times square root of R square minus, so 2 square is 4, x square is x square. Now, okay, so now what do you have to check? We have to compare CD with 2 times AB. Not here we got only 1 times AB. We'll just find out 2 times AB. So 2 times AB means just multiply with 2. Okay, 2 into AB. So 2 times AB is equal to 2 into, right? So here already one more 2. 2 into 2 root R square minus 4x square. So what I have done, multiply both the sides by 2. Okay. If I multiply 2 on both the sides, I'll be getting 2AB. Okay. So 2AB is equal to, here 2 2s are 4 root R square minus 4x square. Now we can take this is equation number 2. Now they are asking, okay, can we conclude that CD is equal to 2 times AB? Are they equal? They are asking. Now just compare 1 and 2. Okay, on comparing 1 and 2, CD is it equal to 2 times AB? Compare the right hand side. Here 2 times R square minus E square. But here 4 into R square minus 4x square. So they are not equal. They are not equal. So from 1 and 2, I can just say from 1 and 2. Okay, from 1 and 2, I can say that CD is not equal to 2 times AB. Okay, the right hand sides are not equal. Therefore, we cannot conclude that CD is equal to 2 times AB. Therefore, we can say we cannot conclude that CD is equal to 2 times AB. Okay. Hope you can understand this.
Thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you.